Charm Bar turns your product into an interactive customization experience directly within your online store. Your customers can choose a base product, explore different options, and drag each element exactly where they want it, previewing their design before adding it to the cart. If your products can be customized by combining a base with elements placed in specific positions, you can create that experience with Charm Bar. In this tutorial, we'll set up Charm Bar from scratch and explore some advanced options to tailor the experience to your products and your store. Basic setup. We'll start with the 4 essential steps required to publish Charm Bar. Activating your plan, setting up the anchor points, preparing transparent images, and adding the app block to your theme. Activate your plan. From the Charm Bar homepage, check the status of your plan. You can start with a free trial and take your time setting up the app. Test the builder in your store and make sure everything works as expected before continuing with the plan. Click Start Free Trial and confirm the subscription through Shopify. When you return to the app, confirm that your plan status appears as active or in trial. This will unlock the Charm Bar block, so you can start configuring it in your store. Set up the anchor points. Now, we'll define where the charms can be placed. Open the product that will serve as a base product. Under More Actions, select Configure Anchor Points. Click directly on the image to add each anchor point. Try to position the points where the charms will actually be attached to your product. You can select a point to fine-tune its X and Y coordinates. Move it in small increments or delete it if you no longer need it. When you're finished, save your changes. Set up the charm collections. Organize the products you want to offer as charms into one or more collections. You can create a general collection or organize them into categories, such as letters, hearts, animals, or gemstones. This organization will also appear in the builder, making it easier for customers to browse your charms. Make the charm images transparent. For the charms to overlay correctly on the base product, they need to use images with a transparent background. From Charm Bar app, open Background Remover. Select a product. Then, choose the image you want to process. Click Remove Background. You can then reframe the result, adjust the zoom, and position the charm in the center of the square area. Save the result to the product or to a specific variant. Charm Bar will store the image in the transparent image field without replacing the product's main image. For consistent result, use sharp, high-resolution square images. Also, try to keep the charm's attachment loop in similar position across all images. Add the app block to your theme. With your products ready, let's add Charm Bar to your theme. Open the theme editor and go to the template where you want to display the builder. Add a new section or app block and select Charm Bar. For new installations, use the block simply called Charm Bar. The Charm Bar Legacy option is intended for stores that still use the previous horizontal layout. Under Base Products, select one or more products that already have anchor points configured. Under Charms Collections, select the collections you prepared earlier. Save your changes and use the preview to make sure the charms can be dragged and placed correctly on each anchor point. Your charm bar is now ready for customers to create their own combinations directly in your store. Advanced settings. Charm scale. You can also adjust the visual size of the charms. The result will depend on which product you configure the scale for. Open the corresponding product and under More Actions, select Charm Scale. Choose one of the predefined sizes or enter a percentage between 50% and 200%. If you use charm scale from a base product, the adjustment will apply to all charms placed on that product. This allows you to adapt the overall charm size to the proportion of each necklace, bracelets, or other base product. If you apply the scale to an individual charm, you'll change the relative size of that charm across any base product where it is used. The base product scale and the individual charm scale are combined to determine the final size the customer will see. Save the setting and refresh the preview to check the result. Charm angle. Each anchor point can apply a different angle to the charm. Select an anchor point and use Charm Rotation Fill. Positive values rotate the charm clockwise, while negative values rotate it counterclockwise. This is especially useful for bracelets, earrings, or product images taken at an angle. Save the changes and check the result in your store. Customize the appearance with settings. You can customize charm bar to match your store's visual identity. From appearance settings, you can change the background of the cards and preview area, the colors of the quantity controls, the border of the selected item, the Add to Cart bottom colors, active filters, corner radios, and charms vertical positions while dragging. You can also choose whether to display the total price in the toolbar. Make the adjustment while checking the preview. Then, save your changes when you're happy with the result. Customize with Custom CSS. For more specific customizations, use Custom CSS fill in the block. For example, by default, the charms are displayed in a horizontally scrollable list. With this CSS, we can display them as a grid that makes a better use of the available width. If the collection title already appears elsewhere in your design, you can also hide it for a more compact interface. Try to keep your CSS limited to charm bar classes to avoid accidentally affecting other elements of your theme. After each change, check the experience on both desktop and mobile. Charm bar also includes additional settings and customization options beyond what we've covered in this tutorial. You can find detailed instructions and more advanced configuration options in the installation guide. Now you're ready to bring interactive product customization to your store and give your customers the freedom to create something that's uniquely their own.